Are you done being rude? Oh, apparently not.
I love your daughter.
What do you have to offer her?
Nothing. Only this.
What's that supposed to be about, baby? Girl, free up your mind, stop acting crazy. You know I give you the good love.